Making progress on my router table. Have the inset here done. Messed up this spot slightly, so I cut out a section and put some hardwood in there. This one's okay. This is for a little clamp that the router table lift can take. Got one piece of T-track installed slightly below the surface. I put it below on purpose so it doesn't jam anything when I'm using the table. I'm going to put the router fence along here and run it into the T-track. It's a glue up of plywood on MDF, and it's going to live on my workmate so that I have somewhere outside of my tiny little 8x10 shed to use my router. It'll be less messy. And I can take off the router tabletop when it's done. And here is my very cool toy. There we go. And this is just slightly under all the way around. And I have leveling screws that I can put into the lift. These are the clamps that I can use to hold it into place. But I've also got some screw-in pieces to put in there. I'm not sure if I actually need these clamps, but I have them if I want them.